My name is Hanumant Redkar. I am assistant professor at Goa Business School, Computer Science and Technology Department, Goa University. Today we have come to this campus called as IIIT-Bangalore, and this is an amazing campus which we have seen, especially the research centers, the hospitality, everything was superb. Uh, I have noticed that this particular institute has research and development in IT and electronics field. And this is very good because they are focusing on only one particular aspect of research. And they have done wonderful work because we have visited the centers over here. They are doing a great work in AI, ML, and they're actually solving real life problems like traffic control systems of Bangalore, etc.